a routing part, have a glance once. Maybe I'm going to complete within 30 minutes only. Okay. So you'll get one idea. What is the meaning of routing? How to, what is the importance of express routing and all. Okay.
Okay.
So let me go to, so I want to initiate the project in Node project, Node.js 4. Okay. So CD in backup back and all inside CD Node.js 4. So now how to initiate the backend project npm init-y command. Now I am going to install the required package now. Okay, Express I'm going to install now. Express, how to install the Express? npm here only. Npm is not stucking now only. Okay, package.json file, fine. Npm install Express package. That's enough for right now. Let's have a glance. Okay, it's going to install required packages. Along with this one, I'm going to create one more also. 1 second now.
Yeah.
Yes, so anyway, explain you ES6 also. Right now, this routing, I'm not completing the ES6 part, ES6 and all. I think I required a few more packages like Morgan. Okay, install Morgan also to HTTP logger this one. I'll show you this one, Morgan. Okay, that's enough. So I'm going to create one file app.js. Okay, so app.js. How to create the server, Express server, how to create express server. Yes, Harisha, are you practicing Node.js or not? Are you there, Harisha? Donor file also dot git ignore also node underscore modules slash. So automatically it's going to reduce 353 to 2 or 3. Fine, 4 files. That's fine. Yeah. So how to create express app? So very simple. That is, I'm using ES6 only, not ES6, ES5. Yeah, nah. Okay. Yeah, Harisha. Okay, fine. Yeah, Harisha. How to create express app in ES6, in ES5, ES5 only.
Hello.
Yeah, Harisha.
Yeah, sorry, Narasimha. Suddenly it got
Okay,
disconnected.
fine. Not a,
Yeah.
not a issue. Express, require express. So I'm creating one express app. Okay, let me create a constant app equal to express express. That's all. Okay. Now my app is going to listen port number 8000, something like this. That's all. My app is I'm going to writing one root file, root request. So like this we have to write every time. That's all. So just I'm writing a 4 lines of code or 4 lines of code to create the app server. Create the app server. Express is a Node.js backend application. Using Express, we are writing the backend code. Using Express, we are writing the backend code. Just I'm writing 4 lines of code. 4 lines of code. So always try to, you need to give like app.get. So if you want to create one API, you need to use app.get, and this is my root. Root means localhost 8000. Suppose flipkart.com is a root actually. Flipkart.com is a root. Like in our case, in our localhost 8000 is my root. So if you want to get the root, anyone is requested localhost 8000 is going to get this one. So I'm passing two parameters, request and response parameters. Here I'm giving something response.send. So there is a two methods are there, send and end, send and end, send and end. One second.
Okay.
Yeah. Here, Isha. Just I'm writing a four lines of code to create the Express server. Just I'm creating one Express app, and app is going to listen on port number 8000. Let's start the server. Always write let just we created the one backend app here. Go to package.json file, and I'm preparing the environment now. Just let me complete. I don't want to test this one. Start. I'm going to give the commands actually. So instead of node, I'm using nodemon. Nodemon. Already I installed nodemon package in my global level. What is my file name? app.js. Okay, like this. Let me start backend npm start. So if you am clicking npm start, first it is look into the package.json file scripts and start. What is the start command here? Node mon
Not one way.
app.js. Nothing but where I'm going to compiling the or running the app.js file. App.js is file is just 3 to 4 lines of code is there, and it is going to listen the port number 8000. Let me try this one. Just I'm using Express app. Using Express, I'm creating one app.listen 8000. Let me hide here. Okay, let me check go to your browser and test. So localhost 8000, localhost 8000. Let me hear coding level. I think right, request response dot send. I'm not sending anything. Just I'm using one h1 element. H1 welcome to PSA pro stack. I'm giving some text actually. I'm going to pro stack. So I'm going to close my h1 tag. H1 tag. Now let me try this one. If you enter now, this is my root request. Localhost 8000, nothing but app.get. This is my root request. So let me try this one. Let me try. Just I'm going to get. Okay, fine. Yeah, welcome to ProStack. I'm getting now. So bet me here. Here I'm not getting any information right in the terminal level. So
Yes.
yeah, I'm going to pass one more callback here. One more callback. One more callback. If any error is there while listening my port number, any error is there, I'm going to throw error. If error, throw error, throw error. Otherwise, I'm going to print something. Just server listening on server running on port number just 8000. I'm hard coded this one. If you don't want hard code, you can keep your all the port numbers in the one configuration file, environment variable file. We can keep like that also. Already we explained that one. Okay.
Yeah.
Now come to the point here. I'm doing like this. Just it is my root request. I'm getting the welcome to ProStack now. So after this one, I'm requesting something also. One more also 8000. I want to request some users also. Users request is there, is not there. Only root is there now. Now I'm going to implement app.get, app.get, app.get. I'm going to implement one more slash users. So users slash users. If anyone is requested slash users, I'm going to get, anyone is requested, right? Definitely I require two parameters. What is the two parameters? Request and response parameters. Okay, so I'm going to send some response just like normal text only. Later I'll tell you how to route and all. Okay, I'm using h2 tag. What is this one? Log users details. Okay, let me h2. Okay, fine. Now like this. Look at this one. What is my request? localhost 8000
Local
slash users. So I'm getting
user.
the user details page only. I'm getting the user details page. Now come to the point here. It's like so like this, right? Like this. I'm going to explain now all the request, all the routing requests now. Let come to the point. So in case, right, we have, if you want to implement a proper routing with the help of a node, with the help of Node.js, it is a very difficulty. We have to use URL path and events, event emitter and all. This is a very difficulty in case of plain Node.js. That's why we are using Express package, Express web framework. We are using Express web framework, Express web framework we are using. If you are using Express, routing is very simple. Routing is very simple. Using Express, we are writing the efficient code only. Instead of spending some time on application logic, we are going to spending time on business logic because we are using Express. Syntaxes are very easy and user friendly syntaxes only, like app.get. So let me try this one. Take my, suppose, right, my application name is www fcart. Fcart is my application name. So this is my root request. This is my root request. Might be it is a get request only. This is my API, root API, and method is get. Method is get. Method name is get. So usually, right, CRUD methods are there. Like suppose API methods are there. API methods types are like get method. Okay, let me here select get. We have the get methods and post methods and put method and delete method and delete method. These four are nothing but representing the CRUD operations. Representing the CRUD operations. Get means retrieve, post means create, put means update, delete means delete. Delete means delete only. So let me understand this one. This is my get request. This is my get
Get
request. Now same request only I'm going to give as a differently. Dot my Flipkart fcart.com slash users slash login. Let me understand this one. Slash login. Okay, login is definitely login time. What user will do? Login time definitely is going to enter email and password. Email and password. Maybe, right. He's use in the input box. He's going to enter some data. So nothing but he's entering some data. Definitely is a post request only. It is a post request. Nothing but create only. So login is definitely method type is post only. Okay. Then I think let me understand now. Basically, right, we are going to use all the user routes are in separate file, all the products are routes on separate file, like this only. Let me understand as of now. In this file, I have only few things only, like root and users. Okay, like some case, right, we need to keep all our product requests only. We need to keep all our products requests, like product starts TV, product start refrigerator, product start iPhone, like this now. So keeping like number of routes in a one file is a problem. Is it's a it's a we are losing the readability. So let me
read.
understand this one. I'm going to create one route, products. Okay, this is my products route. Let me keep it always one fat arrow function. That's all. Like app.get. Okay, let me here products.tv. I want to display all the TVs. Okay, let me, I'm passing one like this. So after, right, maybe for all each category I need to give one route. Each category I need to keep one route. So and corresponding maybe refrigerator or appliances or laptops like this, laptops. Okay. After I need to pass one callback function. My callback function is handling my request and response parameters. So now just understand this all this route. In this app.js, I have 5 routes are there. Okay, here 3 routes are related to products. One route is related to user. This is a
User.
route request only. Now, small idea here. So why we have to keep all these things in one file? So why can't we can create the separate folder, like improving the modularity and all. So what I am doing here, I'm going to create one routers. Okay, one file routers. I'm keeping all my all my routes, products routes in one file, user routes in one file, payment routes in one file. Like this, I'm keeping my, I'm instead of keeping one file, I'm keeping two separate files. Let me create one file now. My file name is product router, router, product router.js. So if you want to implement routing in Express, you have to use Express router. You have to use, if you want to implement routing in Express, we have to we have to use Express router. Oh, that's all. Let me create that one. You'll get one idea. Okay. I'm using ES6 only, just constant express. I think this view to import and export will don't work because this folder we are not enabled ES6. We are not enabled ES6 using. We are not using Babel, right? If you go to
Yeah.
here, yeah. So now let me express constant express equal to require express. Yeah. Now I want to create router. Create constant router equal to. I'm going to create router. My router is express is providing the router. Express dot router. Okay, let me understand this one router. Now, just I want to export this router. I want to export this router. You can give anything like what is the file name? Product router. What is it? You can give like this also fine. Product router. Maybe right. Just I'm giving the simple name router. Okay. Now I want to export this router. How to export? Like ES5, right? We need to export ES5 module dot exports equal to router. Now just I created router, I exported here. Now I'm going to implementing the routes, implementing my routes, implementing product routes. Okay, so router dot get, what is the URL? Root, and you need to pass your request and responses. Okay, whatever you have here, just I don't want to keep my routes here. So any all product routes, I'm going to create separate file only. So router dot get. So if anyone is going to get TVs, okay, for a TVs one route and laptops one route, like this I'm implementing. So router dot get, what is this one? Like this is a laptops. Okay. So, and I'm passing one callback function as a argument. Let me implement one by one, you'll get one idea. So I need to pass request and response parameters. Fine. And response dot send, I'm passing some file. Let me here, I'm h2 tag, closing h2. I think it won't work. We need to give the backtick. Let me here. So what is this one? Just it is might be a root, right? Product details, route, and go to same thing. I'm going to copy this one. Okay, so I need to pass request and response parameters. Here only I'm keeping this one. I think product TV details, all TV's details. TVS, not TV details. Fine. It is a TV route, product TV route. Okay. I'm copying the same code only. Copy. I don't want this one. Okay. And it is not a TVs, it is a laptops. Lap, TOPS, laptops. All laptops. And laptops. Okay. Now, just what I'm doing here, I'm creating one separate file for all product related routes. Okay. So this is my slash products. This is my slash products to slash TVs. This is my, so let me design the API name also. API name also localhost Okay, 8000, 8000 is my port number, slash products slash laptops. Okay, laptops. This is the one more also is there. So what is the API name? API name is localhost 8000 slash TV slash products dot TVs, products slash TVs. So TVs right here. Like one more route I have, that is, what is this API route? That is localhost 8000 slash products. So this is the way I need to implement my routes. This is the way I need to implementing routes. Okay, let me gather all these routes now. You'll get one idea. Let me here. Okay, now just this is my first route. A localhost. Okay, like this. One more is there. Localhost TVs. Okay, one more is there. Localhost laptops. So check this one now. Localhost, find products. I think products, copy. Here also this is a products. This is also products. Fine. This is my now I have 3 routes for related to products. Like I have few more also for user routes also. Let me implement first one thing in the app.js. So right now, right, I have only get only. I have only get. So now what is my, I have, this is my root route, right? What is my application root route? What is the API here? API is localhost 8000, localhost 8000. Localhost 8000 is my root API, root request. Okay, like just I want to implement my, so for this one, what you have to use, you have to use middleware app.use. So if anyone is requested slash root slash products, I need to pass my route. So let me import your product router, constant product router, product router router equal to require, need to give like this. So slash dot slash. So where is my file is there? In the routers file. In routers file I have product router. File name is product router. In this product router we are exporting the router. We are exporting the router is default router. Module dot export equal to router. So I'm using product router like this. So if anyone is requested slash products, I need to route my routes to product router. Okay, which is my, if anyone is slash products, nothing but it is a root only. In the here only it is root. This one will work. This one product detail page. This I'm going to get this information now. Let me implement this one. Let me check this one. So you see right now I'm using only get request only. You can, if suppose right, your API is get request, you can use browser or Insomnia or Postman. If you want to test your APIs, very simple. So how to test your APIs? How to test your APIs? How to test APIs? Okay. So simple. If it is a get API, you can use browser. You can use browser. This is the first one. Second, you can use API testing tools. API tools is there. API tools are there like Postman or Insomnia, like Swagger UI, like plenty of tools are there, free tools only. No need to worry for that. Let me, I'm opening Insomnia. Just me here, I'm going to use, maybe I'm creating one new request now. New request, my request is get request only. Let me check routing request. Let me create this one. I'm going to use, what is my API here? Localhost 8000. 8000 is my root actually. So let me set this one. I'm going to get, so welcome to ProStack. So I have one more is there now, products, PRODUCTS, products. Like this is my products root actually. So if anyone is requested products slash products, so anyone is requested slash products, go to app.js. Anyone is requested slash products, I'm going to navigate to product router. Go to product router. This is my root. So I'm going to get a product detail, root route. I think root product route, root product routes. Okay, let me try this one. Let me test this one now. I'm going to get product detail root product route successfully. Okay. Now, after I want to display all the TV data, this is my TVs, right? TVs. Maybe what is the API here? TVs. Okay, TVs. So this is my one more API. Just I'm clicking this one. I'm getting the TV related information. Another one is what is this one? Another one laptops. Laptops laptops. Just I'm printing this one also. I'm getting the laptop details only. I'm getting the laptop details only. So this is the way you need to test your APIs. Test your APIs. Either you can use Postman or Insomnia or browser also for get request. Let me implement one more also. I'm going to create user router file. User dot router dot file. Okay, how to use this one? First, we require express app. Express equal to require express. Then I need to create router. Constant router equal to express dot router. Okay. So then I need to export this one. How to export in ES5 module dot, let me here module dot exports equal to router. You can give any name, not a issue. Okay. So let me implement all user related routes. User implementing all user all user related routes. Okay. Let me implement all user related routes. What I need to take? router dot router dot get. Anyway, maybe while doing a project only, I'm going to show you post and put and delete also. Just me implement slash. This is my slash users. Definitely I required one. I need to pass two parameters, request and response parameters. So I'm going to implement one more also, router dot get. This is my user slash login. So this is a login is definitely it is a post only. Login is a post only. Login is post only. Take the post also fine. Take the post only login, and I'm taking this one request and response parameters. This is a one, and one more is there post router dot post, and might be it is a registration or sign up. SIGN sign up. Okay. So I need to pass one fat arrow. So this is my three routes here. What is the URL? This one API URL. Okay. What is this one? Localhost 8000 slash users. Okay. Second one is same thing, but only difference is, let me copy this one. Yeah. Same thing is, what is this one? Slash users slash login. And one more is there, that is login dot sign up. So I have three routes here. Let me copy one by one in my file, just for testing purpose only. One, another one is localhost sign in login. I have one more is there, localhost sign up. Yes, that's fine. Now see what we are doing. We are keeping all product related routes in one file. We are keeping all user related routes in one file. Then all we are keeping to using app.use only in the app.js. Go to app.js. I'm going to give one more. I'm using app.use middleware. So what happened now? If anyone is requested slash users related routes, into,
Narasimha,
yeah.
why you are recording that URL every time? Is
Here
it
only.
different? Is
No,
it different every
here
time?
only.
Yes, yes.
No, just for I want to show, right? That's why. Maybe see, this is a get request. Maybe same URL only. Might be it is a post also, but won't be different, right? Method is different. Okay.
Okay.
See,
Okay.
we see while seeing the API, we can't observe, we can't get what kind of method it is. So that's why, as a backend developer, we need to create a proper documentation. This is your URL.
Okay.
You need to specify your get or post or delete also. Then where we are using, suppose your method, your API is get. In the Axios dot get is there. Now in the React level also, you have to use same get only.
Okay.
So suppose right, you are the backend developer. You are developing one API. Your API is get. Suppose you developed your API, you tested in your local, it is working fine. You hand over me. That time you have to tell, buddy, this is a one get API, this is URL. So definitely I have to use Axios dot get only in my
Get.
React level. Okay,
Mhm.
same
Okay.
URL, but method is different. That's why. Okay, I'll show you that one. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay.
So if anyone is requested slash users, I need to navigate to user router only. Let me import the user router. User. See, I'm using alias name only. That's all. User router ROU router equal to require require. Let me have glance slash route slash user router. Okay. So if anyone is requested slash users, I need to navigate to user router, and user router is root is there. So let me implement request and responses. Here I need to provide a response.send. I'm using something backtick h3 close h3. Inside I'm writing something. What is this one? It is a displaying all users. Displaying all users. That's all. And let me try this one. Let me try this one. So what is URL? Localhost users. Localhost 8000 slash users. I'm going to use here only to test this one. I'm giving this one localhost slash users. I'm going to user router. Might be this is not there. Let me users. Fine. Go to the coding level. Might be go to app.js. User, it is a user, right? Here slash user is there. Here users is there. That is a spelling mistake actually. Let me try user only. So here user na. Here slash user, not users. That's why it is showing error. Now I'm getting displaying all users. Now after that login. So what is the user login here? Let me go to, if anyone is requested slash user, it is going to after login is there now. Where login is there in the user router dot js. I have one login is there. Login is there. But what is the method is it is what kind of method it is? Post. But what I'm using here, get. I need to change to post. Then I need to give my request and response parameters. Request and response parameters. I'm using response.send. Response.send. I'm using backtick. I'm printing some data. That's all. H2. Let user login. User. Sorry. User login. User login successfully. I'm not writing any business logic. Later I can write the business logic. So I'm getting the response user login successfully. Like I have one more is there, that is sign up also. Sign up. So slash user slash sign up. Slash user slash sign up. This is my new API. Method is post only. Method is post only. So what kind of method it is? Post only. So user is going to request and we are providing the response. What is this one? Response dot send. And I'm using backtick h5 close h5. Okay, just I'm printing sign up registration successful. Registration successful. That's all. Let me try this one. Slash user slash sign up. First, it is go to app.js. So what we are requesting slash user. Corresponding routes are there in the user router file sign up. So registration successful like this. So how many implemented we here? We implemented at least 6 implemented here. Maybe right? Products and product TVs, products slash TVs and laptops, users and login and sign up. We implemented 5 APIs now. So this is a way we need to develop the APIs, and this is a way we need to test the APIs. Simple APIs, don't worry. We know we don't want to. We are not getting error also. Just you need to practice this one. Routing you need to practice. Okay. So if you want next, you want to relate it to all product related, all the payment related. App.use /payments. And if anyone is requested payments, I need to navigate to all my related to payment router only. Create the payment router also. Let me here payment router RYUTR.js. Okay, like this. I need to implement same code only again. Okay. So let me go to app.js. If anyone is clicked payments not, so what I required, I need to import that one first. Constant payment is a payment router is not there. You can give XYZ also, not a issue. Alias name will work required. Alias name will work required. What I required dot slash router slash. We have the payment router is there. The code is not there. Don't worry. So this is my route. If anyone is requested payments, I need to bypass to XYZ route. So XYZ route nothing but payment router. So we need to check the code first here like this. Okay. Maybe it's showing some error also. Let me resolve that error. You'll get one idea. Where it is? Yeah, app.use is a middleware, right? Okay, fine. Go to app.js. Okay. Yes, app.js, payments, and router. Fine. What is the issue here? Slash. Maybe give the this one like this. Not an issue. Still, it is crashed only. Products, user, and payments. So what we are using here? Okay. I think throw new type error. Router.use required a middleware function but got an object. Where it is? Yeah, go to payment router. Nothing is there, a payment router. That's why we are getting this one. Okay. That's why we are getting this one. Okay. Yeah. Are you getting this one? Again, we need the same story here. We need to import this one again. Same. If you want, let me write one more also. Constant express equal to require express. Then I'm going to create one router equal to express dot router. So I need to export this one. So how to export in the ES file? Module dot exports equal to router. That's all. So let me here router, right? What is the mistake here? Comma express. Fine. Constant is spelling mistake. Constant. Yes. Now like this. Just I created one router. I exported the router. Now let me create a router dot get. So it is a payment router, right? Slash root router. So user is going to get the something request and the responses, and I'm going to use fat arrow to send the data. So response dot end also fine. All payment done. Payment done. Just I'm printing some information of payment done. Yeah. Just I have only one route, payments route only now. Go to app.js. So anyone is requested payments, I need to pass to XYZ. XYZ nothing but a payment router. Payment router has exported router. That's all. Let me save this one. Still error is there. We need to fix. Yeah, there is no error now. So let me here. What is the URL? Slash payments. Payments. Let me check the app.js. What is user expecting? Payment, not payments. It's a payment. If anyone is entered localhost 8000 payment, I need to navigate to XYZ route, nothing but a payment router. Payment router is a root router is there. Just I'm getting the payment done information. Yeah, cannot getting error also. What is this one? Yeah, now you can tell me why I'm getting this one. Cannot post our payment. Yeah, why we are getting this one error? Elena?
Yes, Narasimha.
Why I'm getting error here? Basically, go to here router dot get. But here, what I'm doing
This
here?
is a
Post.
post.
So I need to use.
Okay. We need to use get.
So payment done. That's all. Usually in
Okay.
here, what we had to write, you need to write your business logic only to save the, to get the data from the database like this. All the database operations, inserting operations, we had to find, we had to write all these things. Anyway, I'll let you all these things. Okay. Just my objective is only routes only. Yeah.
Okay.
Have a glance one, that's all. Just go to app.js, try one, at least one route, product router. If you have done this one, you are going to good in the backend also parallelly. Okay. So let me here, I want to introduce Morgan also. I want to introduce Morgan. Let me constant Morgan equal to require Morgan. I'm use Morgan model already installed now. Let me go to app.get somewhere. So in yes, here only, below here only, app.use I'm using middleware just Morgan. Okay, Morgan. I need to pass. Already Morgan is there. Why it is coming twice? Yeah, here I don't want. This is ES6 syntax. I don't want. It won't work here because okay. Now go to here. App dot yes, something Morgan. I need to pass tini or dev. Now look at this one. Yes. So now I'm going to requesting one by one. Okay. What is a Morgan? It is a HTTP logger. So if user is trying to access the URL, it is going to register your URL. Now look at this one, get. It is a get, right? Obviously get. Now like we have the multiple URLs we have, like products, all product related URLs like this. Go to the one of the product only. I think product laptops is also get. Any post is there, might be user is a post. So router.post login. Okay. Go to here slash users. I think user or users. Let me check app.js and URL is user. So I'm giving all user related routes in one file, user router, and I have one post router. Let me try. So post router, right? Post router user slash login. Now if I click this one, I'm getting some message, just dummy message, but that is not my objective. So here only in the terminal level only, we are getting all the tracked information. Okay. Just this is the way we need to implement the routing in the projects. We need to implement routing in the projects. Okay, Lena.
Yes, Asiva.
Just practice this one. I'm uploading the video in the our folder only. You'll get one idea.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me push. Very simple. Just you need to create one app.js file and app.use, and might be user is going to enter slash products. So we are routing to we are moving all product related APIs into one file. That is the product router.
Products.
That's all. So we are improving the modularity. That's
Okay.
all. Okay. Yes. Good night. See you tomorrow.
Good night, Narasimha.
Yeah.
Thank you.